For thousands of years, we looked up at the stars and wondered, what lies beyond? Are we alone? Could we ever leave Earth and live among the stars? Today, those questions are no longer just dreams, because in our lifetime, humanity is preparing to leave Earth behind. First to the Moon, then to Mars, and one day, far beyond. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the future of space travel. The first destination is clear: Mars. It's close enough to reach and far enough to change us forever. But the journey is brutal. 7 months in deep space, radiation, isolation, no rescue window. Every decision matters. That's why the ships we're building are different. Reusable heavy-lift rockets, heat shields that survive hellish re-entry, life support systems that recycle air and water for months. Imagine launch night. Engines roar, the ground trembles, the sky becomes a window, then a road. Low Earth orbit first, then refueling in space. Tanker ships delivering propellant like cosmic gas stations. Only then the burn to Mars. Days blur into routines. Exercise to keep bones from thinning. Maintenance checks. Navigational updates. Messages from Earth arriving minutes late. Outside the window, nothing but darkness, and a red point growing brighter each day. And when the planet finally fills the view, you realize you are arriving at a world that has waited 4 billion years for someone to come. Landing is just the beginning. Mars welcomes no one. Thin air, killing cold, dust that crawls into every seal. So we build the way survivors do. Pressurized habitats beneath protective domes. Greenhouses glowing in the Martian night. Rows of plants drinking recycled water, exhaling oxygen. 3D printers sintering bricks from regolith, the planet itself becoming our building material. Step 1. Air. Electrolyzers pull oxygen from CO2. Step 2. Water. We melt ice hidden in the soil and store it like treasure. Step 3. Heat and power. Solar farms stretch like fields of black glass. Compact reactors hum quietly in the distance. Life finds a rhythm. Mornings, suit checks, habitat diagnostics, EVA prep. Afternoons, geology surveys, drone mapping, repairs. Nights, the colony glows against the red, a small human heartbeat on an empty world. Every walk outside is a negotiation with death. You listen to the hiss of your suit, the thump of your boots, the thin wind dragging dust across the plain. Then you look up, and there is Phobos, a misshapen moon scratching the sky. In that moment, you understand why we came. Mars is not the finish line. It is a base camp. From there, our eyes lift toward darker, stranger worlds. Europa, an icy moon of Jupiter. Beneath its cracked shell, a global ocean warmed by tidal forces. If life exists anywhere beyond Earth, it may be there. Robotic submersibles could melt through the ice, releasing tiny swimmers into a black sea that has never seen sunlight. Enceladus, smaller, colder, but spouting geysers into space. We can fly through those plumes and taste the chemistry of an alien ocean without landing at all. Titan, orange and eerie, lakes of liquid methane, thick air that hugs the ground. There, humans might strap wings and actually fly with muscle power in gravity so kind it feels like a dream. And beyond the giant planets, the great dark. Interstellar space. We whisper about engines no one has built yet. Nuclear thermal rockets, fusion pulses, antimatter drives. We sketch metrics for bending space-time. Today it's theory. Tomorrow, maybe a prototype. And after that, a star. It sounds impossible until it isn't. Every frontier was fantasy right up until the moment someone crossed it. Why take the risk? Why leave the cradle at all? Because exploration is how we survived ice, famine, and fear. Because staying still has never kept us safe. Because everything we love is on one fragile world, and that is a single point of failure. Spreading into space is not arrogance. It is insurance. Insurance for our children and for their children after them. But it's more than survival. It's meaning. The same curiosity that pushed canoes onto open oceans and airships into hostile skies now pushes starships into the dark. And when the first child is born on another world, when a classroom on Mars recites the names of Earth's rivers like poetry, we will understand. Humanity did not abandon Earth. Humanity became larger than Earth. So what is the future of space travel? In the coming decades, boots will print new footprints on Mars. In the next century, domes will dot alien horizons like lanterns. And someday, a ship with a name we don't know yet will cut the boundary of our sun and keep going. This is not just about rockets and medals. It's about who we are when we are our bravest selves. It's about choosing wonder over fear. The future of humanity is written in the stars. And the question is not if we will go, but when. When that day comes, look up. Someone will be out there looking back.